Start your day with these delicious and refreshing smoothies. Great for breakfast, and if you're making for kids, they'll love it too. First one is triple berry smoothie. For this we'll take 3/4 cup of berries. I'm taking a mix of fresh and frozen. Half a banana, half cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oats soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes in 1/4 cup of milk, and then just blend everything together until smooth. Add some ice if you wish, and enjoy this delicious glass of smoothie. Oats will make it extra filling, so it makes a great breakfast. And for our tropical smoothie, we'll take 1/4 cup of pineapple, fresh or canned, half a cup of mango, I'm using frozen here, and an orange. Put them all in a blender and add about 3/4 cup of coconut milk and blend until smooth. Here's a glass of refreshing and delicious tropical smoothie. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and do consider to subscribe to my channel for more such easy to follow recipes. Thanks for watching.